I've been going to Boracay since 2002. Pero first time ko lang tinry itong nigi-nigi. Sabi ko nga kay Dada, thank you Dada, na-try ko rin finally. I don't know why I didn't want to try it before. Kasi parang puro foreigners yung tao na may partner na Pinay. Baka ka kung mapagkamalan akong GR.
Yung ganun din. Foreigner.
Sinong foreigner? Sinong foreigner? At
Sino nga ba?
Ayaw. This is so big. Look at that. Your food